Hey everybody, this is Tanya Atomic and I am unboxing BoxyCharm for February. It's I feel like it's on time, if not a little bit early this month. So here everything is, and I'll go ahead and show you. This is the postcard that came in here. Be My Glam in Time, and it lists all the stuff that's in here. Let's just dive right in. There's a multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush, and this says that it's from Alley-oop and that it's $28 worth. So it looks, oh, this is actually pretty cool. So it's dual ended here, and then you open it up and there's little eye brushes inside. So that's pretty cool. I like that. It seems like a good travel on the go brush that you can do your full face with. So that's really cool. Okay, so the next thing in here is, sorry about the sound, but it is this OPV Beauty London. That is a loose setting powder. So right now I do have plenty of loose setting powder, but I don't mind having another one. So here it is. I believe it's translucent. Yes, it is. So nice. So a loose setting powder. And then the next thing in here is, oh, let me see what the price is. It's $22 on that one. So the next one here is Joseph Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. And this says it's worth $20. Joseph Colors is pretty good quality. So, and it comes with a little mirror and everything. It looks really nice. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. That's pretty. It's darker than it looks like it's gonna be in the package, just a little bit. But that's a pretty sort of peachy coppery color. Okay, and then the next thing is Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. So I do like pineapple lip scrub. I'm actually using, oh, it smells really good. You can't smell, I'm like passing it to you to smell. Can you smell that? You can't smell it, sorry, but it smells really good. I do use lip scrub sometimes, so I will enjoy that. And then the last thing is Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream. It comes in this box. And let's see, the pineapple lip scrub, it says it's worth $23. I can find really good lip scrub for less than $23. It said that it's got sugarcane crystals, cinnamon, orange, vanilla oil. So it has like really good ingredients. But I normally don't spend $23 on lip scrub. But anyway, I got it in BoxyCharm, so I paid less for it. Then Saturday Skin. This is the Yuzu cream, vitamin C, and vitamin C is really good for your skin, and so I'm happy to have this. I am working my way through one eye cream right now, but happy to have another one. So that is everything in this box. It says that the Saturday Skin Bright Eye Cream, and I like Saturday Skin stuff. It's $32 worth. So, and you know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. It's about $25 a month, and you know, each item alone was at least $20, so it's a pretty good value. I like what I got in here. I feel like it's not very makeup heavy this time, but really it's just the one eyeshadow, but that's okay, because these are all things that and the powder. And these are all things that I can definitely use, so happy to have it. So I really enjoyed this box. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.